Hi boys and girls, so today I'm doing lesson 12.5, analyze given information. Our problem says, Carson stood next to a tree that is 75 feet taller than she is. Carson is 52 inches tall. Jesse stood next to another tree that is 876 inches taller than he is. Jesse is 5 feet tall. Then our question says, how many inches tall is the tree next to Carson? Okay. So let's draw this out. Okay. I always do better if I draw the problem out. So I have my stick figure. This is Carson. I'm going to put a C on top. And it says that Carson is 52 inches tall. Okay. I'm just going to, she's 52 inches tall. Then it says that she has a tree next to her. And this tree is 75 feet taller than her. Okay. Notice how it's not saying the tree is 75 feet. No, it's saying the tree is 75 feet taller than her. So we don't know the exact measurement of the tree. Okay. Then it moves on to Jesse. So I'm going to draw Jesse over here. Put a J. It says Jesse is 5 feet tall. Okay. And the tree next to Jesse is 876 inches taller. Okay. It's tall, 876 inches taller than him. So now let me go back and see exactly what is my question asking. How many inches tall is the tree next to Carson? So it wants to know in inches, how tall is the tree next to Carson? So we're only worrying about Carson right now. And we want to know how tall is her tree, but in inches. And if you see here, they're giving it to us in feet. I need to see how tall it is in inches. So I know that I'm not really going to need Jesse. Okay, so I'm just going to put an X here. I don't need Jesse right now because my question is just asking about Carson and how tall the tree is in inches. Okay, so I know the tree is 75 feet taller than her. Okay, so my first step is I have 75. Whoops, let me fix that. I have 75 feet. But I need to do something in order to convert it to inches. So I'm going to put inches here. Okay. So remember earlier this week, we talked about how 12 inches on a ruler, okay, on a regular ruler, 12 inches equals 1 foot. Okay. This is very important. On a ruler, 12 inches equals 1 foot. So I could multiply 75 times 12, but let's just double check. Let's look at our study guide that we have here. And if I'm converting from feet to inches, what would I have to do? Let's look. So feet's right here, and I need to convert to inches, which is over here. If you look here, it says to multiply by 12. You have the arrow pointing at the inches. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to take my 75 and I'm going to multiply it by 12 inches, okay? Because I need to get inches. That's what I'm going for. So for here, I'm going to draw my box, okay? Because I'm going to multiply 2-digit number by 2-digit number. I'm going to expand 75. So I have 75. I'm going to expand 12. I have 10, 2. So now I'm going to multiply 10 times 70, there's 2 zeros, cross them out. 1 times 7, 7. 10 times 5, there's 1 0, cross it out. 1 times 5 is 5. 70 times 2, there's 1 0, cross it out. 7 times 2 is 14. And 2 times 5, which is 10. So now I'm going to add my partial products. 700 140, 50, and 10. 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 is 0. 4 plus 5 is 9, plus 1 is 10. Bring up my 1, put my 0 here. 7, 8, 9. Okay, so I know 75 inches equals 900 inches. Okay, 900 inches. So then let's go back to my question again. It says, how many inches tall is the tree next to Carson? Okay, so I know that it's 900 inches taller than Carson. So now I know it's 900 inches taller, but I need to see exactly how tall the tree is. So my second step, let me move this. Okay, my second step is I'm now going to add 900 inches, and I'm going to add that to Carson's, how tall she is, 52 inches. Because I need to find out how many inches tall is the tree next to Carson. Okay, so now I'm going to add 0 plus 2 is 2, 0 plus 5 is 5, bring down my 9, and now I know the tree is 952 inches tall. This is my answer. Okay, so if I go up to here, now I can say the tree is 952 inches. Okay, and that is how we do the problem.